Hi, Luke.
Hey, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. So, what are we talking about today?
Today, let's talk about our jobs.
Oh, nice. Talking about work is always interesting.
Yeah. So, Luke, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a language center.
That's great. How long have you been a teacher?
I've been teaching for about 5 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you like your job?
Yes, I really do. I love helping students learn and improve their English.
That sounds wonderful. What's your favorite part of teaching?
My favorite part is when my students understand something new. It makes me very happy.
I can imagine. It must feel great to see your students succeed.
Exactly. How about you, Sarah? What do you do?
I work in an office. I'm an administrative assistant.
Oh, nice. What kind of office is it?
It's a small company. We sell office supplies and equipment.
That sounds interesting. What are your main tasks at work?
I answer phone calls, send emails, make reports, and help my boss with daily schedules.
Wow, you sound very organized.
I try my best. Sometimes it's busy, but I like my job.
What do you like the most about your job?
I like working with people. My coworkers are friendly and helpful.
That's nice. Having good coworkers makes work much easier.
Yes, it really does.
What time do you usually start work?
I start at 8:30 in the morning.
And what time do you finish?
I finish at 5 p.m., but sometimes I stay late if there's a lot of work.
I see. Do you have lunch at the office?
Yes, we have a small kitchen. I bring my lunch from home.
That's good. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I buy food on the way.
That's smart. So, what do you usually eat for lunch?
Usually rice, vegetables, and chicken. Sometimes noodles.
Sounds delicious.
What about you, Luke? What's your daily routine like?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast, then I go to school at 8 a.m.
Do you teach all day?
No, I have classes in the morning and evening. In the afternoon, I prepare lessons and check homework.
That sounds busy.
Yes, it can be, but I enjoy it.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes I have weekend classes, but not every week.
That's good. You still have time to relax.
Yeah, I like to rest on Sundays and watch movies or read books.
Same here. I love Sunday. It's my lazy day.
We all need lazy days.
So, Luke, do you plan to stay a teacher forever?
That's a good question. I love teaching, but I also want to grow.
What kind of growth do you mean?
I want to become a training manager one day. I'd like to train other teachers.
That's a great goal. You'd be good at that.
Thanks, Sarah. How about you? Do you have any future goals for your career?
Yes, I do. I want to become an office manager.
Nice. What will you need to do to become a manager?
I think I need to study more and get more experience.
That makes sense. Are you taking any courses now?
Not yet, but I'm planning to take a management course next year.
That's a good idea. Learning new skills is always useful.
Yes, I agree. I also want to improve my English. It will help me at work.
That's true. English is very important for work these days.
How about you, Luke? Are you studying anything new?
Actually, yes. I'm taking an online course about education technology.
Oh, what's that about?
It's about using digital tools and apps to make teaching easier and more fun.
Wow, that sounds modern.
Yeah, I think it's the future of education.
So, do you like online teaching?
Yes, I do. It allows me to meet students from all around the world.
That's amazing. I've never tried online learning before.
You should. It's convenient and flexible.
Maybe I will. I want to practice my speaking more.
Great idea. Speaking practice is the key to fluency.
Do you have any advice for learning English faster?
Sure. Listen to English every day, read short stories, and speak as much as you can.
That's helpful. I'll try to do that.
And don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, that's true.
Do you think it's hard to start your own business?
It is, but I think passion and persistence make it possible.
True. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly.
Do you think our jobs will change in the future?
Yes, definitely. Technology is changing everything.
That's true. Even office work is now online.
Right. Many people work from home now.
Would you like to work from home?
Maybe part-time. I still like meeting people in person.
Same here. I like talking face to face.
What's your favorite thing about your job right now?
I like helping my team and making things run smoothly.
That's nice. You must be a good team player.
Thank you. What's your favorite thing about your job?
I love seeing my students improve. It's very rewarding.
I think that's beautiful. You make a real difference in people's lives.
Thanks. That's what keeps me motivated.
I hope I can feel the same about my work too.
You will. Just keep growing and learning.
You know, talking about work makes me think about balance.
What do you mean?
I mean, work is important, but so is life outside work.
Oh, yes, that's true. We need time to rest and enjoy ourselves too.
What do you usually do after work to relax?
I listen to music or take a walk. Sometimes I meet friends.
That sounds nice. I like to read or watch movies after work.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic comedies. They make me laugh.
That's great. I prefer documentaries or science fiction.
Everyone has different tastes.
True, but both are good ways to relax.
So, to sum up, you teach English, you enjoy it, and you want to open your own school.
That's right. And you work in an office, you like teamwork, and you want to become a manager.
Exactly. We both have goals and dreams.
And we're working toward them step by step.
Yes, that's the key. Small steps every day.
Agreed. Hard work always pays off.
This was a great talk, Luke. I enjoyed it.
Same here, Sarah. Talking about work and goals is inspiring.
Let's talk again soon about something fun, maybe travel or hobbies.
Sounds great. See you next time, Sarah.
Luke, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
What keeps you motivated at work?
Good question. I think my students keep me motivated. When they smile or say thank you, it gives me energy.
That's so nice. I think motivation is very important.
Absolutely. What about you, Sarah? What motivates you at work?
I feel happy when I finish my tasks and help my boss. It makes me feel useful.
That's great. Helping others gives meaning to our work.
Yes, and I also like when my coworkers support each other. Teamwork makes everything easier.
I agree. Good teamwork is the heart of a happy workplace.
Exactly. But sometimes work can be stressful.
That's true. What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a short walk, drink some water, or listen to soft music.
Nice. That really helps.
How about you, Luke? What do you do to relax during a busy day?
I take deep breaths and talk to my friends. Sometimes I just smile and remind myself to stay positive.
That's a good tip. I'll try that next time.
It really works.
You know, work-life balance is not easy, but it's important.
Totally. We should work hard, but also enjoy life.
Yes, spend time with family, friends, and take care of our health.
Right. A happy worker is a better worker.
True words. I'll remember that.
Me too. Let's both keep doing our best. At work and in life.
Deal. Let's do our best and stay positive.
Always.
So, what have you learned from this conversation about jobs and future goals?
Share your thoughts and what you'll practice in your daily life in the comments below.
If you like this video, please leave a comment.
And don't forget to like, share,
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.